to Tich. In this session, you will learn how to share your screen and camera with the rest of the class. Showing yourself can improve the attention of your class. It is important that you allow the access to your camera and microphone while starting the session for the first time. To activate your camera, just click on the camera button. You can also share your screen or video by clicking on the screen button. Then choose between a tab, the whole screen, or an application window. Sometimes showing what you do on your computer is the best way to explain something. Students will receive the video feed in their Video tab. When you move to the board or slide view, the students still see a miniature of your video. Though, they can always switch back to the Video tab. Remember that students that have the control can also share their screen or camera. If you have any problems sharing video, verify that you have granted all the permissions. To do that, click on the padlock icon next to the address bar. Reload the page after making any changes. Have fun using Tich!